Okay, guys. In today's video, I'm not talking about trading. I'm not talking about charts or analyzing anything. I just want to talk to you. Okay. So I know we all have this passion to succeed. We all have this passion for success. We want to be wealthy. We want to grow income and all that. And then we go in, start looking for solutions, start looking for how to accumulate wealth. Guys, if you have this same passion like I do, then I will advise you to go and get this book. This is Millionaire's Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. Go and get this book and read it. You will love it. I know Rich Dad Poor Dad, they are great books. Think and Grow Rich, all of them are great books. They will help you with the mindset on how to accumulate wealth. Rich Dad Poor Dad to help you to know the difference between liability and assets, paying yourself first and all that, which is good, and also investing. But this book, this particular one, The Millionaire's Fastlane, will help you to know, like it will show you a poor person's way of investment, the medium class way of investment, and then the wealthy way of investments. I know Rich Dad Poor Dad is a good book, but in this book, kind of it will tell you that that one is low, kind of. Like, not that it will tell you that it is slow, but it will show you a better way. And it will give you like 4 to 5 other vehicles you can use to build systems. Wealthy people, they build systems. They don't just invest their salary and all that. They build system that keeps working even while they sleep. I know we all have heard that, but then how many of us are doing it? So this book will give you that practical example of these vehicles that you can use to build your own system and start generating income for yourself, and also to invest. So see, Rich Dad Poor Dad shows you how to invest and pay yourself first and all that. But this one shows you how to build systems, okay, which is the real wealth. So make sure to get this book, The Millionaire's Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. Get it and read it if you really want to succeed. I've read the book and I've fallen in love with the ideas. But reading is not just the thing. The most important thing is action. Believe you me, even I myself have challenges when it comes to that. But I'm working on it. Okay, because I've not seen any successful person that is not putting in the action. Like, they are working more than the average person out there. So like, everybody have the same time. Everybody have the same air, the same whatever, but they work more than the average person. Smartly, not just working hard, they work hard in a smart way. You get? So you must put in the action. The richest man in Bible, it says that the goddess of luck favors men of action. So the difference, just like in some books, will tell you that the difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is what? Action. The other people knows how to execute, while these people knows how to procrastinate and delay, which is one of the biggest things that hold people back. You want to do this, but you feel tired. It's not you that is feeling tired, it's your body. It doesn't want you to stress it. But once you start doing it, just like me now doing this video, once you start doing it, that feeling that you are tired or something will just go away. At the initial state, that when you want to start, you will feel as if, man, I don't feel like doing this today, or let me leave it to tomorrow and all that. But once you start doing it, all those feelings will leave you. So you see, that's why they say that your biggest enemy is yourself. So what I'm trying to say is just get this book. It's not just a motivational book. Get this. You will see practical examples on how you can build systems, and then the vehicles you can use. Even talked about Elon Musk here and how he built his own wealth using software and all that. So there are other ways you can also build your own systems, and it's all in this book. So get it and read it. You can share your comments. If you have read this book before, you can share your comments on the ideas we got from there. So this is all I have for you guys today. I didn't make any preparations for this video. I'm just talking I didn't script anything or anything. So just the same way I want to succeed, the same way I'm filled with this passion for or making it. I know that there are other people out there that also wants to make it, and you can do this from any skill set. Maybe me, I chose crypto and trading, which is very, very, very hard. But there are other skill sets that you can use. I have friends that are into copywriting. They earn more than me. Do I even earn at all? But what I'm trying to say is, even if you are into video editing, even if you are a salary earner, you can still start from somewhere. But the difference is, okay, let's say that you are earning 50K a month from your salary, and you are investing 10% of it or 20% of it. In 3 years, it will not get you anywhere. 5 years, 10 years, it will not get you anywhere because the money is too small. So but you can still start from there. Okay. But what I would advise, even though this is not a financial advice, but what I would do is to use that 50K to invest in myself, that is to get a skill that will pay me higher. There are so many skills out there. You can start with video editing, copywriting, crypto, trading. That's if you have the time, because trading is going to take you time and also the emotional stress and all that. So if you are already cut out for it, you can also go for that one. So there are many other skills that you can get your hands on, be the best in it, and then start from there. Make money from it, then use the idea on this book to invest and also grow your own system, your own money-making system. Then after that, there are other books that can also help you on how to invest properly. So this is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys at the top. Ciao.